Okay, math lesson 2 for 42120 is subtracting decimals. I did not do the whole page up here. I only did examples. The one thing you need to remember when you're subtracting decimals is you need to make sure that the decimal points are lined up, just like when you're adding decimals. I'll put some space in here. I think, put some space underneath because this is really hard to do, to subtract this way. So I'm going to put it here. I made sure my decimal points were lined up, and now it's a subtraction problem like you've seen before. 5 minus 2, 3/10. I'm going to keep my decimal point in the same place. 7 minus 1 is 6, so my answer is 6.3. Alright, I did number 3 as well. Alright, 20.2 minus 14.8. And again, we're still going to subtract the same way. We just need to make sure our decimal point stays in there. Alright, so I know that I have 8/10 that I cannot subtract from 2/10, so I'm going to keep going over to my tens place. So now I'm going to get for my tens. I'm going to take 1/10, so that's 1/10 left. I'm going to put them in my units, so now I have 10 units. And now I can borrow from my units. I have 9 units. I'm going to put the tenths over. And I have 12/10 minus 8/10. It's 4/10. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 20 minus 2 minus 14.8 is 5.4. Alright, I went down to number 5 to get a bigger double digit numbers, and with the bottom number going out to the hundredths place. Alright, so that's 41.5 minus 33.25. So this, we can put a 0 in that place. And now I'm going to have to do my exchanging. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. I'm going to exchange again. So now I have 3 here. And I moved over 10 units. So that makes it 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. So our answer would be 8.25. Alright, number 7, 105.53 minus 99.28. Alright, so I'm going to my neighbor, I'm going to exchange. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down my decimal point. I'm going to have to exchange here. I cannot get it from here, so I'm going to go all the way to my hundreds place. So now I have 0 hundreds. And I have 10 tens. Now I'm going to borrow from that 10 tens. Now I have 9 tens. And now I have 15 units. 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. So our answer would be 6.25. Alright, I did one more. 74. Now on 74, the decimal point is right here. Alright, so I'm going to take 65.9, and this is 74.0. So I'm going to go over here, and exchange. So 10 minus 9 is 1. I bring down my decimal point. Now I have to exchange again. It's going to make that 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8.1. Alright, I need you to do the rest of the page by yourself.